What's going on, YouTube? So, I just made a very bad decision and picked up probably one of the rustiest TJ Jeeps I could find. If isn't apparent, just looking at the fender, it's pretty bad. But I mean, the body's pretty okay, the paint's okay, but that's pretty bad. So yeah, I'm a proud owner of a 1999 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Let's see if this door opens. Has a 5-speed. Interior's pretty clean. Comes with a complimentary dead battery, as all of these do. But I got this thing for pretty cheap. It has the OEM hardtop, and that's probably the only reason I bought it, because I got it for the price of the hardtop. It's filled with rust, and the frame was fixed before. Yeah, it wasn't fixed very well. Whatever patch panels they used obviously did not last very long because they rotted right out. So I'm gonna be very busy with this one. But in all honesty, other than a couple little rough patches, it's really not that terrible. It's dirty inside. I haven't cleaned it yet, I haven't had the time to. A couple stains. Interior's mostly together. Tires are good, which is a plus. I can actually drive this thing if I ever fix this frame. This door actually opens too. Let me see, I actually had the battery on a charger. Yeah, no. Completely dead. So it needs a battery, but it has 190,000 miles, which I guess isn't too terrible for a Jeep like this. And as I said before, the interior is pretty clean. It's really not that terrible. So I guess the first plan of action for today with this thing is I gotta clean it. It's beyond filthy. And I want to get a better assessment at this frame, take a good look at it, because I don't think the front was fixed too much. But I know looking at the back, actually yeah, you can see the patch that was put in here. Looks like it was welded in and just not coated properly. This is an upstate New York vehicle also, which does not help my case at all. So yeah, I guess let's get to cleaning it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this thing also has the 4.0 inline 6, not V6, which is apparently a pretty good engine and worth a lot more than the 4 cylinders. Looks pretty okay. It probably has never been, well, the engine probably has never been washed in the 20 years this thing's been on the earth. Not slam the hood too hard. So okay, get some cleaning supplies out and get to washing and clean the interior on this thing. Okay, so I got the outside cleaned up a lot more from what it was. It still looks pretty terrible. Cleaned the engine bay a little bit too. That's a big difference. So now I have to have some fun with the interior. I got a steam cleaner right there. So time to get to work. Got to vacuum this up first, take the carpets out. I'm gonna check the floors, make sure they're still there, because with frame rot like that I don't feel too confident. Got a couple stains there. Got to take the back seats out. A lot of work ahead of me. Okay, so I'm cleaning the interior. No, of course I gotta check the floors. Yeah, that's nice. At least the top of the frame's clean, but this floor is shot. I checked the driver's side, it's actually okay. It's all surface rust like over here. This is, that doesn't sound very good either. Oh no. Okay, so interior is clean. That took all of, I would say, 2 hours at the very least. So we have some rust under there. Driver's side looks pretty good. And we have the obvious frame rust and the fenders that we have to worry about. But you know, all in all, it's not that terrible. I've definitely seen much worse on Northeast Jeeps. And since this one was fixed in the past, I have a feeling that I might be able to just patch something up or buy a kit and just kind of go over the previous repairs. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching as I'm sitting in this wet seat from the steam cleaner. I cleaned it as best I could. Could probably do a little bit better. I guess I'll do that over time. But for now, I'm beat. It's 1,000,000 degrees, and it's a lot better than it was when I started. So, if you made it this far through the video, once again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Because next time we work on this Jeep, we're definitely going to be working on this frame.